हमसे नजरें मिलाओगे तो तुम्हारे लिए जान दे देंगे, आंख उठाओगे भारत की तरफ तो घुस कर मारेंगे। जी हां, अब आगे क्या करना है? स्वप्न एक विकसित भारत का है। हमारी प्रेरणा भारत है, भूमि की करें पूजा, सुजला सुफला सदा स्नेहा यही रूप है उसका। जिए माता के कारण हम करें जीवन सफल अपना, यही तो है मंत्र अपना, शुभंकर मंत्र है अपना, चराइवेति चराइवेति। स्वागत कीजिए सर्वजन प्रिय, द मोस्ट पॉपुलर लीडर ऑफ आवर टाइम्स, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ भारत श्री नरेंद्र मोदी। And he is joining us here at the Rising Bharat Summit to present his thoughts on our principal theme, leading for global good. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, जोरदार स्वागत कीजिए इनका। प्रधानमंत्री जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है, आभार। एंड मैं नाउ रिक्वेस्ट News 18 Network's Managing Director and Group Editor-in-Chief, Shri Rahul Joshi, to welcome the Honorable Prime Minister.
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, ladies and gentlemen. First, I would like to thank the Prime Minister for taking time out from his punishing schedule to be with us. Please give him a round of applause. We are indeed very, very grateful. Sir, 5 years ago on February 25th, 2019, at Rising India Summit, I had quoted Bismil Sahab in your presence in the context of the Pulwama attack. Sarfaroshi ki tamanna ab hamare dil mein hai. Soon after my welcome address, you delivered your powerful keynote without betraying anything going on in your mind. And next morning, February 26th, we all woke up to the big news of India's attack on Balakot in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, in many ways, it was the big turning point under PM Modi's leadership towards the end of his first term. The message was as loud as it was clear. Don't mess with a strong, resurgent, confident, muscular India. And of course, don't mess with Modi. Prime Minister, that was 2019. Fast forward 5 years to January 22nd, 2024. I would say the other big turning point came on the day of Pran Pratishtha in Ayodhya, to which I was witness, a day that will go down in history as a major milestone in the life of Bharat. As I drove down the same evening from Ayodhya to Prayagraj to visit my mother, I could see amidst the celebrations and the bursting of crackers, the rise of a new India. As I passed through Gonda, Sultanpur and Pratapgarh in Uttar Pradesh, I could see in people renewed hope, renewed energy, renewed confidence. In many ways, the civilizational and cultural resurgence of India is finally taking wing. A Bharat that is not only soaring, but doing so while remaining firmly rooted in its cultural moorings. अगर इसी बात को मैं आपके शब्दों में कहूं, तो यह प्राण प्रतिष्ठा का समय सिर्फ विजय का नहीं, विनय का था। राम आग नहीं, ऊर्जा है, विवाद नहीं, समाधान है, वर्तमान ही नहीं, अनंत काल है। प्रधानमंत्री जी, 22 जनवरी के दिन आपने हमारी प्रतिष्ठा में प्राण फूंक दिए। Ladies and gentlemen, the last 10 years in tangible terms have been marked by rising GDP and galloping stock markets. It has also been marked by efficient welfarism through direct benefit transfers while building an unprecedented scale of physical and digital infrastructure. Prime Minister Modi's biggest contribution is not only to take the Indian economy from the fragile 5 to the fabulous 5. His biggest contribution is to instill in every Indian a strong sense of self-esteem and a firm belief that India is finally getting its rightful place at the global high table of powerful nations. Today, our chest fills with pride that the Indian passport has gained in respect and stature. We bleed blue in every way. Finally, with your permission, Prime Minister, I would like to crystal gaze into the future. What would it be like, same time, 2029? I believe India will lead for global good, the theme of our Rising Bharat Summit this year. The next 5 years will mark a further acceleration of our journey towards a Viksit Bharat, one that will find its place in the top 3 economies of the world. Once again, it is not so much about adding trillions to the GDP, but the rise of India's stature globally. At the G20, you've shown that you are a bridge builder in a divided world. The New Delhi Declaration is a clear demonstration of your influence and relationship with global leaders. Ram willing, India will soon have a permanent seat at the UN. With the rapid strides the country is taking, we'll see an acceleration in reverse brain drain into the country. Global companies will soon have headquarters in Mumbai and Bangalore, while Indian conglomerates will take a bite of the Big Apple. Modi ji, all this has been possible because you think different, you think big, but you execute bigger. Your approval ratings show you're the most popular leader in the world. To Indians here and around the world, you're also by far the tallest. To end on a high note before your keynote, I would like to quote these powerful lines from Sacha Bharat by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar. वृथा मत लो भारत का नाम, वृथा मत लो भारत का नाम, भारत एक स्वप्न भू को ऊपर ले जाने वाला, भारत एक विचार स्वर्ग को भू पर लाने वाला, भारत एक भाव जिसको पाकर मनुष्य जगता है, भारत एक जलज जिसका जल का न दाग लगता है. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the man of the moment, Prime Minister Narendra Modi.